Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable cyber policy purchase with Coalition, full guide step by step clearly. To enable cyber policy purchase with Coalition, start by visiting the Coalition website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Cyber Insurance section. Click on Get a Quote to begin the process. Fill out the required information about your business. Ensure that all details are accurate for better assessment. Provide information regarding your current cybersecurity protocols. Select the coverage options that best fit your needs. Review the quote presented based on the information provided. If satisfied, proceed to the application process. You may be required to submit additional documents for verification. Review the policy terms and conditions carefully. Ensure that you understand all coverage limits and exclusions. Once you are ready, accept the terms of the policy. Make the payment through the secured provided method. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Save the documentation for your records. You can now access your policy details from the dashboard at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.